Welcome back to Raching Cars, the ultimate hub for everything fast, futuristic, and fascinating. Today, we're bringing you an exclusive look at the modern modified 2025 Honda Prologue, an EV that has been transformed into a masterpiece of performance and design. Starting with the exterior, this custom Prologue boasts a full aerodynamic kit, including a sharper front splitter, side skirts, and a rear diffuser that enhances downforce. The headlights and taillights are replaced with smoked LED dynamic units, while the matte titanium gray paint paired with gloss black accents gives it a stealthy, aggressive stance. Riding on 22-inch forged lightweight wheels with Pirelli P0 tires, it's not just about looks, handling and grip are taken to another level. Underneath, the Ultium battery tech is upgraded with an advanced thermal management system, enabling faster charging and better longevity. The AWD dual motor setup has been retuned for an exhilarating 0 to 60 mph time of under 5 seconds, while the adaptive air suspension ensures supreme ride quality whether cruising the city or tearing up winding roads. Inside, the cabin feels like a luxury spaceship, featuring custom diamond-stitched Nappa leather seats, real carbon fiber trim, and a reprogrammed 11.3-inch infotainment system packed with smart EV controls, voice commands, and a personalized driver mode selector. The digital gauge cluster is fully customizable, offering real-time telemetry and performance data. A premium 16-speaker Bose Performance Series audio system fills the cabin with rich, distortion-free sound. Even ambient lighting has been upgraded to multi-zone RGB, letting drivers set the perfect mood. Every inch of the Prologue has been reimagined for the future while retaining Honda's legendary reliability. That wraps up our deep dive into this stunning build. Subscribe to Raching Cars for more jaw-dropping custom rides and the latest automotive adventures.